Look at these idiots. They're trying to get seagulls and whatnot else to come down and eat out of our hands some stale bread.
Dad, can I have ducks? Can I have those ducks?
Huh?
Can I have those ducks?
What ducks?
Duckies.
No, I've eaten them. I had fucking duck.
I want the duckies.
Get away, man.
I want my duckies.
Get off me.
I want my duckies.
Boy, go take your ducks, man.
Good boy.
I don't want. What are you doing? Feed the ducks. Feed the ducks. That's why I brought you to a car park.
Oh my god.
Why else did I bring you to a car park? Right, go on, crack on. So give Mum 10 minutes chill time.
You want half each?
Right. She's gonna hit him. She's gonna hit him. I knew it. She's gonna hit him.
You can have thanks, friend.
Chuck the bread at him.
She was doing. Oh, he nearly caught one in the eye. Oh, feed your ducks, man. Frank, let her feed her ducks. Oh, she's done him.
My friend.
I'll be straight with you. I was going to take them to the park and we were going to find some legitimate ducks. But what happened was, I didn't have £2 to put in the ticket machine over there. I got no change on me, so we've had to stay in the car park just in case parking man comes. So, yeah, look at that. Yeah, stick the ducks in that puddle. Frank, you thrown the duck. Go and get the duck. Don't throw the duck. Go and put them in the puddle so they're enjoying themselves. Put the ducks in the puddle and they're enjoying themselves. That's it, it's fun. Why don't you have a duck race? I'm in the firing line. I'm in the firing line. Jesus sausage. Right, get your ducks.
I want to keep feeding them.
Go on then, hurry up then. Stop, keep running around. What duck's going to win what? What's up with you?
He threw my bread under the car.
Well, good, because you launched it at her head. Leave her bread alone.
Hi, ducky. Hi, ducky. He's trying to get wet. Oh, my duckies! I spent money on you.
Come on, bruv. Whose idea was it to bring ducks to a puddle? Can I have my ducks back, please? I need them. No, listen. No, listen. They're Charlies. They come out the bath. I need to put them back in the bath. Well, you don't want to put them back in the bath?
They can have a bigger pond.
Right, we should keep them ducks in the hot tub now.
Do you want some bread, miss?
Come on, let's go.
Dad, here's the duck.
Thank you. Give me the duck. I need the duck. We've got. Mum won't probably give them to Charlie now, will she?
I'll have them.
Where-
I'll get them. The hot tub.
What? Put the ducks in the hot tub?
Yeah.
No.
Floating around. Why? What's wrong with
What?
that?
What? Clean them first and then put them in the hot tub.
What?
All right, we'll clean
Hot
them.
tub today.
We'll clean them and then we'll put them in the tub.
Drop bread.
Frank, do you know what?
That ain't looking like me.
Do you know what, Frank? That resembles you. It really does. Especially with the blue that you got on. You know what, mate? Right, come on, let's go.